Now, I've got to admit that I come from a generation where we all wanted a big, loud, noisy V8 engine that made our cars sound amazing. But in this modern age, we've all had to temper some of that, and we've had to look at a very different way of moving ourselves around. So we seem to have had a boom in alternative fuel things like electric, hydrogen options, things like that. But that boom that automotive manufacturers went after, they seem to have gone too far. That's the impression I get. So we seem to have had a huge amount of talk about investment in EV and the dropping of the internal combustion engine. And now we're starting to hear about that kind of leveling and maybe mixing, and maybe the investment levels in EV have been too high. Now, I am not an expert in this field or anything like that. And my pure reason for raising this subject is to get the opinions of those in the front line of manufacturing, in automotive in Europe, but really to understand exactly where we are. Now, of course, if there's cutbacks that are then made by the automotive companies, that has a knockdown effect on everybody else. So the component suppliers, the people supplying other services into those industries, all in turn get affected. So what I'm after is your opinions on this subject. It's not anti-EV, it's not pro-EV, it's genuinely to look at what we're all driving and what the solution is. A long time ago, it seemed to be that the ultimate answer would be to have a choice of fuel variants as opposed to relying on just one source. Is that viable? Could we do that? Is it possible? I'd be interested in your views. If you can take a few seconds and reply to us, I'd be very, very grateful. Thanks for watching again.